Okay, good morning students. Last class we have discussed about use of alcoholic earth metals. So already we know that beryllium and magnesium uses. Commonly, magnesium is very important and useful element. It is mainly used for to preparation of number of alloys. Okay, what is the meaning of alloys? The combination of two or more than metals. Okay, the combination of two or more than metals is called alloys. So magnesium metal is mainly used for to preparation of alloys. These alloys is used to preparation of aircraft instruments. Okay. Next, magnesium carbonate. It is also very important compound. This magnesium carbonate is used for to preparation of toothpaste. Next, magnesium hydroxide. It is also very important compound. A suspension of magnesium hydroxide in water is called milk of magnesia. What is the use of milk of magnesia? It is used to preparation of medicines. Which type of medicines? Antacids. Okay, antacids. Now today topic use of calcium metal. What is the use of calcium metal? Mainly it is used for to extract the metals. Okay, in metallurgy. Overall, metals is available their combined state like a ore. When metals is extract from this ore, that process we have used which metal? Calcium metal. Okay, so calcium is used for to extract the metals from ore or a combined component. Okay, next calcium is mainly used for to preparation of some metals. Which type of metals? Beryllium, and it is also used for to preparation of thorium also. TH, thorium. Okay, so number of calcium components are there. Suppose for example CaO, calcium oxide. Calcium oxide is also called quicklime. It is mainly used for to preparation of cement. Okay, calcium oxide is used in to preparation of cement. Next, very important calcium compound CaSO4 2H2O. CaSO4 2H2O. So it is a gypsum. It is mainly used for to preparation of cement also. Okay, so calcium oxide mainly used into preparation of cement. At the same time, gypsum also used into preparation of cement. What is the formula of gypsum? CaSO4 2H2O. Next, further, another very important compound CaSO4 of H2O. CaSO4 of H2O. It is called plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris. So another we write 2 CaSO4 and H2O. 2 CaSO4, 1 H2O. Listen, 1 CaSO4 of H2O. 2 CaSO4, 1 H2O. So these two formulas, plaster of Paris, CaSO4, one part CaSO4 of part H2O, or 2 parts CaSO4, 1 part H2O, plaster of Paris. It is used for to preparation of statues. Okay, statues, and just like it is mainly used for bones. Okay, overall for medical purpose. Okay, medical purpose. Next further, calcium very important compound CaOCl2. CaOCl2. Calcium oxychloride. So it is called bleaching powder. Bleaching powder. So calcium is mainly used for to preparation of bleaching powder. Calcium compounds. Okay. So bleaching powder. It is what is the use of bleaching powder? Already we know that it is mainly used for to purification of water. Okay, to purification of water. So it is a calcium compound. So calcium is very important compound. Already we know that. So Ca+2 is just like a calcium plus 2 ion. This calcium plus 2 ion, it is very important ion. It is mainly used for to protect the heart. Okay, Ca+2 ion, it is mainly to protect the heart. Okay, so it is the use of calcium. What is the use of calcium? It is mainly used for to extract the metals from ore. It is mainly used for to preparation of different types of metals like a beryllium or thorium. Calcium compound CaO, calcium oxide, it is mainly used for the preparation of cement. And CaSO4 2H2O, gypsum, it is also to preparation of cement. Next CaSO4 of H2O or 2CaSO4 H2O, it is the plaster of Paris. Next CaOCl2, calcium oxychloride, it is bleaching powder. Okay, so they are all use of calcium metals. Okay, next strontium, barium. So these are elements also used to preparation of different components. Okay, mainly sulfates, nitrates, carbonates, okay, hydroxides. Okay, now anomalous behavior of beryllium. Anomalous behavior of beryllium. So what is the alcoholic earth metals? Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. So these are all alcoholic earth metals. Overall, anomalous behavior of beryllium. What is the meaning of anomalous behavior? So overall, in this group, beryllium is the first element. Beryllium is the first element. Okay, so beryllium contains some different properties compared with other elements. Okay, so in this group, beryllium contains some different properties compared with the remaining all elements. That phenomenon is called anomalous behavior, anomalous properties. So which properties are different? Which properties are different? Okay, listen. So overall, first point. So beryllium contain very low atomic size or atomic radius, but remaining all elements, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, these are all elements contain very high atomic radius values or atomic size values. Okay, this is the first point. What is the first point? Beryllium contain very low atomic radius value or very low atomic size compared with the other elements in this group. Next, second one, beryllium contain very high ionization enthalpy values. Okay, already we know that ionization enthalpy and atomic radius. Beryllium contain very high ionization enthalpy values, but remaining all elements like a magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, so they are all elements contain very low ionization enthalpy values. Okay, what is the second point? Beryllium contain very high ionization enthalpy values compared with the remaining all elements. Next, third one, beryllium does not contain so d black elements. Okay, or d orbitals, does not contain d orbitals. Beryllium does not contain d orbitals. Okay, next, fourth point, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, they are all components to form sulfates. Suppose BeSO4, beryllium sulfate, or MgSO4, magnesium sulfate, or CSO4, calcium sulfate, or SrSO4, strontium sulfate, or barium sulfate. So they are all alcoholic earth metals sulfate components. Overall, beryllium sulfate is only soluble in water. But remaining components is does not easily soluble in water. Okay, but beryllium sulfate is easily soluble in water. Okay, beryllium sulfate is easily soluble in water, but magnesium sulfate, calcium sulfate, or strontium sulfate does not easily soluble in water. Okay, next, fifth one, beryllium compounds. So number of beryllium components are there. Suppose beryllium halides means beryllium chloride, beryllium fluoride, beryllium iodide, beryllium bromide. So they are all beryllium halides. At the same time, beryllium hydroxides, beryllium number of components like nitrates, sulfates. Okay, so they are all components contain which nature? Covalent nature. Okay, very high covalent nature. Okay, so all beryllium components contain very high covalent nature. Okay, next point, overall beryllium is when heated off, beryllium does not give the color, but remaining elements to give the colors. When heated off, remaining elements to give the colors. Okay, so but beryllium does not give the color when heated off that beryllium. Next, seventh one, overall beryllium contain maximum valency 4. Okay, maximum valency 4, but remaining elements 6. Okay, so what is the maximum valency of beryllium? 4, but remaining elements of valency 6. So their all properties is different compared with remaining elements. Okay, so it is anomalous behavior. What is the meaning of anomalous behavior? Overall, beryllium contain different properties, some different properties compared with the remaining elements. This phenomenon is called anomalous behavior of beryllium. So which properties are compared? Which properties are different? Overall, beryllium contain very low atomic size or atomic radius, but remaining elements contain very high atomic radius values. Second point, beryllium contain very high ionization enthalpy values, but remaining elements very low ionization enthalpy values. Beryllium does not contain d orbital. Next, fourth point, overall beryllium forms number of components. So beryllium forms sulfate, beryllium sulfate. Remaining elements also to form sulfates. Magnesium sulfate, calcium sulfate, barium sulfate. So in this sulfate, beryllium sulfate is easily soluble in water, but remaining all components does not easily soluble in water. So beryllium components is very high covalent nature of components. So at the same time, beryllium, when heated off, beryllium does not give the color, but when heated off remaining elements, so the time to give the different types of colors. So overall, beryllium maximum valency 4, but remaining elements contain valency 6. Okay, so there are all different types of properties or anomalous behavior of beryllium. Okay, next diagonal relationship of beryllium. Diagonal relationship of beryllium. What is the meaning of diagonal relationship? Already we know that. Okay, listen. So overall, first period, second period or third period. Okay, so first period, first group, first element hydrogen and last element helium. Okay, so first group, first period contain two elements, that is hydrogen and helium. Okay, atomic number 1 and atomic number 2 helium. Next, second period, it is starting from lithium. So lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Okay, so lithium 3, beryllium 4, boron 5, carbon 6, nitrogen 7, oxygen 8, fluorine 9, neon atomic number 10. Suppose we have taken third period. This third period, it is starting from sodium. Okay, so sodium, next 12 magnesium and 13 aluminium, 14 silicon, 15 phosphorus, 16 sulfur, 17 chlorine and 18 argon. Overall, it is first group. It is first group. Okay, and it is a second group or second A. It is first A, it is second A, and it is a third A, fourth A, fifth A, sixth A, seventh A, eighth group. Okay, eighth group. So overall, first A, second A, third A, fourth A, fifth A, sixth A, seventh A, eighth. So overall, suppose it is second A group element. Beryllium is the second A group. Alcoholic earth metal, second A group. So second A group of the first element beryllium, third A group of the second element aluminium. These two elements contain nearly equal properties. So that phenomenon is called diagonal relationship. Okay. So overall, beryllium diagonal with the aluminium. Beryllium diagonal with the aluminium. Already last class we know that lithium diagonal with magnesium. Lithium diagonal with magnesium, or beryllium diagonal with aluminium, or boron diagonal with silicon. Okay. So overall, beryllium diagonal with aluminium. This beryllium element and aluminium element, these two elements contain nearly equal properties or similar properties. And beryllium diagonal with aluminium. What is the meaning of diagonal? Already we know that. Suppose for example, so it is diagonal. Okay, it is also diagonal. Okay, so it is a diagonal. Overall, beryllium diagonal with aluminium. Okay, listen. Second A group of the first element beryllium, third A group of the second element aluminium contain similar properties or same properties. That phenomenon is called diagonal relationship. So beryllium diagonal with the aluminium. So beryllium and aluminium, these two elements contain nearly equal or similar properties. So which properties are similar? Okay, which properties is equal? So we have discussed further class. Okay, so that is a diagonal relationship. We have discussed further class. Okay, done.